Wow, can you believe we're in week 2 already this semester? Week 1 grades are posted, so do check there on your grades. Remember there was a discussion assignments and written assignments which were due last Thursday and Saturday midnight. So here we are starting week 2. We're going to be covering the Greek Revival style and the Biedermeier interior design styles. The Greek Revival style had a little different flares depending on whether it was in Great Britain or France, Germany. So you'll be reading that in your assigned readings this week. So know the characteristics of the Greek Revival style and be sure to complete the written assignment and the discussion requirements for the Biedermeier period furniture. Right. Now we're going to take a look at the Greek Revival characteristics very briefly. Do notice the columns and temple characteristics. It looks like a Greek classical temple. Sometimes over entry there was different pediment shapes. You've already looked at some pediments in this class. A lot of symmetry and balance, but very classical looking designs. I'm sure some of you have seen these types of structures, these classical columns. The columns can be made out of wood, stone, in this case they're brick. Quite often the plantation houses have these Greek Revival characteristics. You can see that temple looking facade here with the columns and the pediment topping the porch. So you might be thinking about how you decorate interiors of Greek Revival style structures. We're also going to be looking at the Biedermeier design, interior design style originating in Germany. We'll look at a few of those rooms right now. Do notice that the wood is slightly lighter, not too ornate. Straighter lines, but yet very classical. But the wood is lighter. So you will notice that the woods are light. Sometimes there's a mixture of veneers or burling mixed in with these light woods. Quite often there's a dark trim, getting some contrast. You can see here the lines are straight, yet there's a little bit of curve in a classical feel to them, but the light colored wood or a mixture of wood. You can see the classical column element here framing this particular china closet. These curving lines and this kind of burl, lighter wood. Here's more of a honey-colored wood with the contrast in black. This is very typical of the Biedermeier style. So be on the lookout for these pieces. Another example here of a corner closet. The light colored wood, detailing of the black and little column details. So do enjoy looking at the Biedermeier. So once again, remember we're in week 2, so please read all the pages in Canvas and cover the textbook readings as well. Look at the videos and complete the written assignment and the discussion board for week 2. And I will see you on Canvas, wishing you all the best as we keep going in the semester. Take care.